what we have here is a 31 anchor lid. What I got here, I already got it nice and tight. I use my S screw here to get it nice and tight. And on the head side, I put 2 head speakers along with the contiguous filament for the screws that go alongside here. Now I'm about to put the core in to give it a nice strength to the mold.
It's got the core already inset in it for material thickness, so it's nice and stiff, but it's also light. It's got holes all in it so the resin passes through. This is a reinforcement for our hinge when the hinge screws attach into and not pull out, so it's strong that way. This is the bottom part of that lid. This is the top part. So when we put these together later today, you're going to see Darnel put them together. We're going to clean these gasket surfaces here. There's 2 different vacuums we pull. The outside pulls the parts together. The inside gasket.
Now that we got the lids put them together, now I'm about to hook them up to the vacuum. The high vacuum, it goes to this outer seal right here. It controls the outside seal. You hook up the low vacuum line to the bowl and to the top, and you turn this on. There you go. Reject.
Act like you like each other.
No, you've been working with me for 15 years, man. You ready?
Yeah.
Now we got the lid. Now that we got, start over. Hey, come on back and do that shit. I just got you, man. I'm about, this here about done. I ain't got much resin left.